Welcome to Business Statistics. My name is Ms. Horn and I will be your instructor. I just wanted to do a quick overview of the course and give you a welcome to the class. This is the home page and this is where you can find my contact information, office hours. Also, this is where the welcome video will be. It also has your textbook, how this course works, and your announcements. So this is where you will go to see the announcements for the week. So you can always click on home to see this page. If you click on the Get Started button, it will take you to the online orientation module, and you have to complete this before you can move on to the next module. So make sure that you click on Have you completed the Fall 2022 online orientation course. Click on that. Make sure you read it carefully and make sure you follow those instructions. And you have to view the online orientation course review. Here's your important course information. This is everything that you will want to look at throughout the semester. You have a course overview, a page about textbook and software information, class policies, your syllabus, read that carefully, and your semester calendar, which you want to print off. This is really important that you print this off or write the dates in your planner so that you can plan ahead for the material or the assignments that are due for the weeks to come. You want to plan ahead in this class so that you're prepared. And there's some other pages that are very important too, some how-to video instructions, and then your Pearson MyLab and Mastering access code instructions. That's a little bit different. We changed that about, I think, 2 semesters ago. So read that and make sure you know how to get your access code. This page here is really helpful. Students say that some of the advice in here made them work harder, and they realized the class wasn't as bad because they had read this advice and really prepared. Then you have the Bulldog Lounge, and this is where you can come and you can ask questions and talk to your classmates. So this will be open all semester, so you may want to get with classmates to have a study group. This would be the place where you can ask questions and kind of have a virtual study group. Then you will start with the week 1 learning module, and this is everything that you'll need to do for week 1. Okay, so hopefully this will help you get started, and if you have any questions, there will be additional videos once you get into the actual content of the class, and these videos will help you with the actual MyLab and Mastering homework. But I hope that this is enough to get you started. And like I said, the home page has my contact information. So if you see something that you have a question about, feel free to message me on Canvas, or you can text this Google Voice number. Also, I want to emphasize that if you email, you must email from your school email address, not from a personal email address. And that is pretty much all that I have for now. And I hope that you have a great semester, and I'm looking forward to getting to know each one of you. Have a great first week.